Good morning. Well, I've done almost a half a mile right now, and I'm hiking the Kinsman's slack packing, and it's the last of the mountain ranges in the Whites that I'll be hiking. So we have a big day. It's almost 17 miles, but the weather is supposed to be cooler and overcast, which would be perfect for me. I am so excited. Today's going to be a great day. And as you can see, there's the trail. I found one little flat spot. I'm going up pretty steeply. So I am going to sign off. I'll be out of breath for a little while, and hopefully I'll have a couple of views for you today. I'm 1 mile from the shelter I'm going to stop and have lunch at. And like I said, the Appalachian Mountain Club forgot to put on Appalachian Trail, so they had to do it afterward right there. AT with a tiny little arrow, because there are other trails going here and there are no white blazes for the AT hikers. But I'm looking forward to having lunch at the shelter. Well, I just stopped for lunch in this really nice new shelter. I'm having dessert, gummy bears. That's my pleasure. For the weight, they're so heavy, but they're so good. I did also have some tuna and a protein bar, and of course water. I have, including the hike from the trailhead to the parking lot, about 9 miles to go. Yeah, 9 or 10 miles to go, which is great. I don't know where Trudge is, but I'm going to start going again because I've been sitting here for a while. I hope everyone's having a good day. I am. As you can see, it's not too sunny and it's not raining. So it's a cool day. It's like perfect hiking day. Perfect. Maybe that's why I'm cruising along so well. Another little waterfall in the New Hampshire wilderness. Hey there, I'm outside of the Lonesome Lake Hut. We have 4 more miles, including the bike path that takes us to the parking lot, to go on an 18-mile day. Long day, and I still have to get back, eat, do laundry, pack up, because we're leaving the hostel tomorrow, which is good. I'm ready to get to Vermont. It's only going to take a few days. Most of the day it kind of was overcast, but then it started drizzling and raining and stuff. So it's apropos that this is the last mountain in New Hampshire that I will be hiking. So I'm very excited about that. We are finishing our last mountain, and there's Trudge. Hi. She unfortunately took a spill today.
I fell.
She hurt her arm a little bit.
Well, it's kind of hard to tell.
Yeah, but it's all abrased, and we're going to figure out if there's anything else. We're so muddy, you can't really sometimes see your injuries.
I'm starting to feel a little pain.
So we're going to get a little water, and then we're going to hike, and then be done for the day.
Yeah.
Well, just beyond Lonesome Lake Hut is Lonesome Lake. Well named. So I only have 3 more miles of trail and then a mile on the bike path to get to the parking lot. Poor Trudge is going actually into the bathroom to clean up her wounds a little bit and see what kind of damage has been done. What a cute lake. Isn't that pretty? So I am going to give you some news. Well, a couple of days ago, Trudge and I had a discussion, and she suggested we start hiking separately. And although I was quite hurt at first, I agree with that decision. She wants a little independence. She wants to hike alone for a little while, and honestly, my whole through hike so far has been with somebody. And I like people. But it'll be interesting to see how I do and how far I go and what happens on my own. So tomorrow we will say goodbye for now. And the trail always puts people together. I will see her a ton, I'm sure. But we will not be planning our days together and campsites and stuff. We might end up at the same place, but it's not going to be a joint effort. So, my shout out today is to Trudge, my beautiful, wonderful, supportive friend who got me back on trail. Wouldn't be here without you. I love you. Thank you for being my friend, and thank you for being my teammate through the hardest section of the Appalachian Trail, Maine and New Hampshire. So I wish your journey to be fantastic, injury-free, and exactly what you're looking for. Love you, and a shout out to Trudge. Well, I have to cross another river, so here we go. Isn't that beautiful? I just have to make it over those boulders up to the trail.